In the heart of Brazil, two cities wage a silent rivalry, each boasting its unique charm and allure: Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo. Nestled on the southeastern coast of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, often simply called Rio, is a city synonymous with vibrant carnivals, breathtaking landscapes, and the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. This city, the second largest in Brazil, is a melting pot of cultures, brimming with around 6 million cariocas, as the locals are fondly known. Known for its laid-back beach culture and effervescent nightlife, Rio offers an intoxicating mix of natural beauty and urban appeal. To the southwest of Rio, we find São Paulo, Brazil's largest city and the beating heart of its economy. Housing over 12 million Paulistanos, São Paulo is a bustling metropolis, a city that never sleeps. It's a city of contrasts, where sleek skyscrapers stand shoulder to shoulder with historic landmarks, and where a cosmopolitan population thrives amidst a thriving art scene, world-class restaurants, and a vibrant street life. These two cities, each with its distinctive character, hold a friendly rivalry. Rio, with its samba-infused lifestyle, is often seen as the soul of Brazil, with its residents sporting a laid-back attitude and a love for outdoor activities. São Paulo, on the other hand, with its fast-paced, work-centric lifestyle, is viewed as the country's brain, a hub of industry, commerce, and intellectual pursuits. But it's not just about contrasts. Both cities share a common Brazilian spirit, a love for football, a passion for music, and a deeply ingrained sense of hospitality. They are both testaments to Brazil's rich cultural diversity, each city a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of different cultures, traditions, and lifestyles. So, buckle up as we set off on an exciting journey to explore these two fascinating cities. From their iconic landmarks to their hidden gems, from their bustling streets to their tranquil parks, we'll delve deep into the heart and soul of Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo, discovering what makes each city unique and perhaps unraveling the threads of their friendly rivalry. Culture is the lifeblood of a city, and in Rio and São Paulo it pulses with a rhythm unlike any other. When it comes to cultural contrasts, Rio and São Paulo are as different as samba and symphony. An integral part of Rio's identity, samba is more than just a dance or a genre of music. It's a communal celebration of life, a spirited defiance against hardships, and a testament to the city's African heritage. Rio's samba is the rhythm of the city. It's in the air, in the way people talk, walk, and celebrate life. It's a culture that culminates in the grand spectacle of the annual carnival, a riotous explosion of color, music, and dance that's known worldwide. On the other hand, Rio's beach culture is a world of its own. The beaches are not just stretches of sand, but social hubs where people from all walks of life come to play football, surf, socialize, and even do business. It's a laid-back lifestyle that values the sun, sand, and sea, and where the line between outdoor fun and daily life often blurs. Contrast that with São Paulo, a city that's a cultural powerhouse in its own right. São Paulo is a city of museums and art galleries, a testament to the city's deep appreciation for art and intellectual pursuits. From the São Paulo Museum of Art to the Museum of Modern Art, the city is a treasure trove of historical artifacts, contemporary art pieces, and everything in between. Moreover, São Paulo's food scene is as vibrant as its art scene. The city is a melting pot of culinary influences from around the world, offering everything from traditional Brazilian dishes to international cuisines. It's a city that loves to eat, and where the act of dining is considered an art form in itself. So, if you're drawn to the rhythm of samba and the allure of the beach, Rio's vibrant culture will captivate you. But if you have a penchant for art and a love for food, São Paulo's rich cultural tapestry will surely draw you in. Whether you're a beach lover or an art enthusiast, both cities offer a cultural feast that's sure to satisfy your palate. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, both Rio and São Paulo are teeming with attractions that captivate and amaze. When it comes to Rio, the city's fame lies in its breathtaking natural beauty, punctuated by the iconic Christ the Redeemer. This awe-inspiring statue, standing tall over the city, is a testament to Brazil's deep-rooted faith and artistic prowess. A trip to Rio isn't complete without a visit to this monumental figure, offering panoramic views that are simply unforgettable. Then there's Sugarloaf Mountain, another of Rio's natural wonders. A cable car ride up to its peak presents a stunning vista of the cityscape merging seamlessly with the azure sea. It's a sight that's sure to leave you spellbound. And of course, we can't forget the world-renowned Copacabana Beach. This stretch of golden sand lapped by the turquoise Atlantic Ocean is the very embodiment of the Carioca's love for sun, sand, and samba. On the other hand, São Paulo, a bustling metropolis, also has its fair share of attractions. Paulista Avenue, for instance, is the city's beating heart. This vibrant thoroughfare is a melting pot of culture, commerce, and cuisine, showcasing the city's cosmopolitan character at its best. Next up is Ibirapuera Park, São Paulo's green oasis amidst the concrete jungle. It's a place where Paulistanos escape from the hustle and bustle, enjoying leisurely strolls, picnics, and cultural events. The park also houses several museums, making it a hub of art and creativity. And lastly, there's the Municipal Market, a paradise for food lovers. Here you can explore a world of flavors, from exotic fruits to traditional Brazilian delicacies. It's a sensory journey that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. In both Rio and São Paulo, every corner turned unveils a new spectacle, a new story. A city's lifestyle is its heartbeat, and in Rio and São Paulo, the beat is strong and distinctive. Let's start with Rio. Picture a city where life revolves around a laid-back beach lifestyle. Here, the day starts with a morning jog along Copacabana, followed by a refreshing coconut water from a beachside vendor. Work-life balance isn't just a concept, it's a way of life. After work, many Cariocas, as Rio residents are known, head straight to the beach for a game of foot volley or to catch the sunset with friends. The nightlife in Rio is equally relaxed, with samba clubs and casual bars offering a chance to unwind and enjoy the city's musical heritage. Now, let's jump over to São Paulo. This is a city that never stops moving. The pace is fast and the energy is high. Paulistanos, as the residents are called, are known for their strong work ethic and ambition. The city is a hub for business, finance, and culture, and the workdays can be long. But don't mistake this for a lack of fun. São Paulo's nightlife is vibrant and diverse. From high-end restaurants and trendy bars to underground clubs and live music venues, there's something for every taste. Even the pace of these cities is different. In Rio, the rhythm is slow and steady, like a samba beat. In São Paulo, it's fast and pulsating, like the beat of a drum in a samba school parade. But let's not forget that both cities offer a unique blend of Brazilian lifestyle. In Rio, you have the beach, the sun, and the relaxed pace. In São Paulo, you get the hustle and bustle of a cosmopolitan city, the endless opportunities, and the diverse nightlife. So what's your rhythm? Do you prefer the easygoing beat of Rio, where life's a beach and the sunset is a daily celebration? Or are you drawn to the energetic tempo of São Paulo, where the city's heartbeat is as fast and vibrant as its nightlife? Whether you crave the slow, rhythmic beat of Rio or the fast, pulsating tempo of São Paulo, there's a lifestyle to match your rhythm. The rivalry between Rio and São Paulo is a testament to their individual strengths, but the truth is, they are more complementary than contradictory. As we've traveled through the heart and soul of Brazil's two most iconic cities, we've discovered that each has its own unique charm and attractions. Each city, like a samba dancer, moves to its own rhythm, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that's distinctly Brazilian. In Rio de Janeiro, the city of sun, sea, and samba, we've seen the irresistible allure of its world-renowned beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema. We've marveled at the stunning beauty of Sugarloaf Mountain and the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. We've felt the pulsating energy of its vibrant nightlife and the infectious rhythm of its music. On the other hand, São Paulo, the city of skyscrapers, art, and gastronomy, has its own compelling appeal. We've explored its bustling streets, brimming with a dynamic mix of cultures and cuisines. We've delved into its rich cultural heritage, reflected in its numerous museums and art galleries. We've experienced the city's fast-paced lifestyle and the relentless drive of its people. But while they may seem worlds apart, these two cities share a common thread: their undying spirit and zest for life. Both cities are home to people who live life to the fullest, who revel in their city's unique charms, and who are always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. In Rio, you'll find a laid-back, beach-centric lifestyle, filled with music, dance, and outdoor activities. In São Paulo, you'll discover a more urban, cosmopolitan way of life, with a thriving arts scene, diverse culinary experiences, and a bustling business hub. So when it comes to choosing between Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo, it's not so much a matter of which is better, but rather which city's rhythm resonates with your own. In the end, whether you choose the sun-kissed beaches of Rio or the bustling streets of São Paulo, you're in for an unforgettable Brazilian adventure.